Collective noun. This collective noun is very important for competitive examination in English part. So, what is a collective noun? A collective noun is a group of words of a names or a thing is called a collective noun. So, coming to collective noun, some examples are there here. Okay, a dash of ants, a colony, Valasalu, a dash of dare, family, Tega, a dash of kangaroos, Gumpu, Mub, a dash of dogs, Daguta or Doli, kennel or litter, a dash of butterflies, flight, or flutter. సీతాకోక అల్లడు, a dash of goat, తెగ, trib, a dash of cows, సమూహం, cattle, or herb, a dash of cakes, చిన్న ముక్క, sharp, a dash of tea, గిన్నె కప్పు, a dash of spider, గుత్తి, cluster, a dash of bread, రొట్టె, a loaf of bread, a dash of bears, pack, a pack of bears. So collective noun is a group of word, name or a thing is called a collective noun. Thanks for watching. For more updates, please like, share.